Hi, this is Nick from Pluto7 and welcome back to AI Minute. Today we're going to be exploring how AI will affect the value chain. Let's put a minute on the clock and jump in. The value chain is the cost of the set of inputs that deliver value to the end customer. This key measurement requires constant visibility and is often unclear with data spread across the supply chain. With a fragmented value chain, customers do not receive the maximum value that a business can offer at the highest level of profitability. Using AI, the value chain is monitored in real time for an optimized supply chain delivering what customers value. A restaurant franchise can adjust procurement based on marketing data. A manufacturer can anticipate a bottleneck that will affect customer expectations. A retailer can release new products based on expected customer value and cause minimal disruptions to the supply chain. Using AI to monitor the value chain ensures that a business is operating at its highest profitability when producing the ultimate value for its customers. To learn more on how to use AI for your value chain, reach out to us at Pluto7.com.